so crazy.
Jesus.
Wow. Look at that, dude.
It's crazy as shit. Holy. It's kind of scary.
Yeah, it is. What? I'm about to go behind it or something. What should I do? Can you keep filming? I don't know if I should go backwards or forwards. Oh, there's a car behind me. Hold on. Wow, that is crazy.
This is holy hell.
I'm kind of scared.
I know. It's
I'm about to back off here in a second and just... That is fucking nuts.
This is.
I'm just gonna take a peek outside and just see what's going on.
Jesus.
I might turn around and bail. Hey, man.
I know. I do not believe you one bit.
Hopefully I'm not bailing us right into a fucking tornado. It's probably just like some kind of RFD wind or something, but... Oh, look at that, Dan, over there.
Oh, yeah.
I don't think it's...
Nah, probably not.
Wow, that is insane. If you look behind us,
That is holy shit.
I don't know, Dan. I'm
Yeah,
spooked.
that's pretty fucking crazy.
Okay, are you buckled?
Alright, want me to stop the car?
You can stop if you